In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 of my top shopping hacks to help with your weight loss. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, then it's great to have you back. But if it's your first time visiting, then it's great to have you here. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and the bell. So I'm on a weight loss journey to lose 145 pounds, or in English money, that's 10 stones and 5 pounds. Now, 2 weeks ago, I went shopping and I made a fatal mistake because I went shopping and I was still a little bit hungry, and disaster struck because I ended up buying things that I don't normally buy and things that I decided I wasn't going to buy because those things hinder my weight loss journey. And those are things such as the crisps, the biscuits and the chocolates. So I was really cross with myself because I know that you should never go shopping whilst you're hungry, but I slipped up. So here are my top tips to help you to do your shopping so that you don't fall into the trap of buying things that can derail you on your weight loss journey. So tip number 1 is to make a shopping list and stick with it. So if you know what meals you're going to make in the week for yourself and your family, then write it down and then write out all the ingredients that you require. So make that list and go shopping and commit to sticking to that list. And whilst I'm on that point, I will jump straight to tip number 2, because supermarkets, it's almost like they are setting out deliberately to derail us. So they will have the fresh bread baking in the supermarket and that smell is wafting over, and then they will see all the offers, the buy one get one free offers, or the reductions, or really good money off offers and discounts, and we feel, right, we just need to get those. Yeah, so that's why it's so important to make that list and to stick with it so that we can avoid those offers, even if it feels like you're saving a lot of money, because we might be saving money, but it's not going to help us on our weight loss journey. Tip number 3 is, if you have kids, think about whether you can leave your kids at home. I know when my son was younger and I took him shopping, all my best intentions went out the window, because kids, we want to make them happy and we love them and we want to give them the things that they want. But my son particularly was really good at spotting the cakes with the biggest amount of calories and the sweets that were just laden filled. And whilst it was fine for him to have those things, once it was in the house, it meant that I was having them too. So as he got a little bit older, I started leaving him at home with someone so that I could go shopping in peace and just get the things that I needed. And yes, I would pick up 1 or 2 treats specifically for him, but it wasn't the mass of biscuits and chocolates and all those goodies that I would buy when he was with me. Tip number 4, if you can, think about online shopping. Online shopping is great because once we've made that list, we can just order in the things that we want and not get distracted. So modern day technology means that online shopping is offered by most of the supermarkets. So if that's something that you can do, then give that a try. It might help you. And tip number 5, use a basket, or if you can, a small shopping trolley. Now, I know that myself personally, I can't carry a basket for health reasons, so I use a small trolley, the smallest size trolley available. And what I've started to notice is when I had a big trolley, I just felt compelled to fill it with product. But having a small trolley means that I'm actually quite limited in the amount of things that I can get without them all spilling out over the sides. So think about whether a small trolley, or if you can, a basket can work for you, especially if you're just nipping in to get that top-up shop, because the more space we have in a basket or a trolley means that the more we can fill it, and often with the things that can derail us. So see if that can work for you. I know that that definitely works for me. And finally, never go shopping when you're hungry. It really is disaster, especially if you're in a supermarket and they're baking bread and cakes and you see all of those treats, and just that smell alone can really get our stomachs going. I know it does mine. And I've bought the bread, or I've bought the sandwich, and I've eaten it in the car before I've left the car park. So it's never a good idea to go shopping when you're hungry. Okay guys, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you found those tips of value. If you did, please hit the like button and leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if you're new here, then please hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified when I upload future videos. Okay guys, there's going to be more tips coming your way, so stay with me. See you soon. Hi guys, are you on a weight loss journey and you are sharing that on YouTube? Well, if you are, you may be interested in joining our support loop. I set up this support loop. It's called the YouTube Small Channel Weight Loss Support Loop, for people just like you who are on their personal weight loss journey, who have a YouTube channel, who want to grow but also want to support others. So if this is of interest to you and you want to collaborate with us, grow your channel and provide great, interesting, motivational and inspiring themed based videos for our communities, then check out the description box below to find out how you can be a part of our support loop. So guys, I look forward to seeing you on our support loop. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay guys, see you soon. Bye.